Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will see how do we write any content to a CSV file using Java 8. So let's get started. First let us point to the path where our file is located, where our CSV file is there. So paths.get. So this is the CSV file that is there. I have just copy pasted this path. So my file is present over here in this path, and I'll just also take it in a reference variable, path variable, so that I can use it in future. Okay, now I have a reference to the CSV file. Once I get the reference, I'll check if my file exists in that path or not. So if files dot exists, then I'll do the write operation. Else I'll just print like file does not exist. So how do we do the write operation? So there is a method known as write method in the files class. So files dot write. So I have to write something to the file since it is a CSV file. So we have to write the content in a comma separated value. So just I'll take a string content equal to let's first enter the ID, then comma, then the policy number of insurance, or the policy type of the insurance. So let it be a family policy. So these two data I'll try to insert it, and in files.write we will provide the path where we want to write and the content of the file, which is in our case the content, and it will take in the form of bytes. And just add an exception. I'll just add the exception to the method signature. Let's try to run it and check. Okay, so let's check our file. You can see the values are present in the file, like the ID and the policy number. So the CSV file behaves as follows. The CSV file is the comma separated value file. So if we just provide the content separated by commas, you can see that in the different columns in a CSV file. Now let us change the content to family policy, suppose 1, and let us run again. And let us again check the file. We can see that the previous data is been overridden. So to avoid this, we have to append our data. To append the data, we have to just provide one more option, like standard open option dot append. Let's add one more data, 103 family policy 2. Let's save, let's run it. Now let's check the file. We can see that the new data has been joined to the previous data. So what we have to do is we have to make use of a new line character so that each and every data is on a separate line. So let's do one small change. So let's change to 10. Let's change it to 3, and let us put a new line character so that our data is displayed onto a new line, Let's run it again. Now let's check our file again. You can see that our new data is on a new line. So this is how we write to a CSV file. So if you have any comments or questions regarding this, please comment down in the comment section below. And thanks a lot for watching the video. Have a nice day.